Okay, class 10th, come to our third lecture, network connections and internet instant messaging. We start with advantages of internet. You all know that we can share our data over internet. We can share our hardware resources. We can share our internet access also, and we can use web-based applications, web browsers, email client, chat applications, video calling, payment gateway. These are the advantages of internet. Emailing also advantages of internet. Now come the internet service provider. The companies which are providing us internet connections are known as ISP. Example: Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Among these connections, some are wired based, some are wireless. Dial-up connections, DSL, cable internet connections are wired based. Rest 2G, 3G, 4G, WiMAX, Wi-Fi are wireless based connections. Now we'll learn about detail of these connections. Dial-up connections are telephone based connections. We need to dial a particular number to have an internet connection. DSL and ADSL are another variant of telephone based internet connections. DSL stands for digital subscriber line and ADSL for asynchronous digital subscriber line. In DSL we can do one work at a time. Either we can call through our telephone lines or we can use internet. In ADSL we can use both. We can call and simultaneously we can access internet. Now come other types of connections. Cable based internet connections means cable TV based internet connections that are used nowadays. WiMAX is another option where it is difficult to provide telephone cables based internet connection, mostly in hilly areas where the population is very thin. The expenses of laying down the cable is high. We can use WiMAX. It can be used for home and offices. The speed is good, very high, and it covers a maximum 30 kilometers range. 3G, 4G, 2G, you all know they use high speed download packet access technology to provide us internet. Wi-Fi is another popular technology. It is also wireless. People need to connect to the point that is known as hotspot or wireless access point. Through that they can get internet connections. Now when we know all the types of connections, now we need to know the device, hardware device that is required to connect to the internet. This is known as modem. Full form is modulator, demodulator. It converts the signal digital to analog and vice versa, analog to digital. When signals are coming, it converts the signal into digital, and when the signal is going out from the computer, it converts the signal, that is digital signal, to analog signal. Now we need to know how we can transfer data from one computer to another computer over internet. You can see in the picture we have converted the picture into 0 and 1, and then we make a small packet or frames. You can see here I made a packet, that is packet number 1. It contains 4 data 1001, and the next packet is P2. And come to the next packet, that is P2. It contains of data, and the next packet is P3. It is going on and on until and unless it comes to an end. So with this we can make the packets of data. When the packets are ready, we can send packet from one computer to another computer till it finds its destination. These packets at the destinations are examined, reassembled and represented. When all are ready, now you will answer the following questions. Very easy. What are the purposes of internet connections? How much data is downloaded on an average per month by you and your family members? You have to do a comparative study. Take help of your parents for that. Now another topic is instant messaging services. There are two types of services. One is application based, other one is web based. In the application based, we need to download the software and install in our computer or our phone, and then we can start chatting or talking with another. For example, Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messengers are the example of application based. WhatsApp is also application based instant messaging services. Another variant is web based. We need to log in to the web page, for example different browser, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and we just run the software in the browser. The softwares are, messaging softwares are Meebo, Yahoo Messenger, MSN Messengers, IMO are the example of web-based messaging software. Now, on your part, you'll do practical work. You'll install Google Talk on your phone, on your computer, and use it and check how it works. That's all for the day. Thank you.